Oh, hello there. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect your BenQ monitor to your laptop. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. So all you have to do and all you have to have is that you need to have an HDMI cable that you're going to connect to your HDMI monitor, the BenQ monitor. You're going to locate the HDMI there. And then what you need to do is that you need to have a laptop that got also HDMI like this, and you're going to connect it. But maybe your laptop is not going to have HDMI. I don't know what kind of laptop you got. So then you need to have adapter. So if you have VGA, you need a VGA, and let's say your BenQ monitor got only VGA, no HDMI, then you just need to have VGA HDMI adapter. That's something that you need to buy, and that's something that you need to use. So that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.